For the beaded heart rings, you can use 20 gauge wire, either red, tin copper in the silver color, tarnish resistant brass, which is more of a gold color. You can use 6mm beads or 4mm beads, and you'll need your round pliers, your cutters, flat pliers, and a ring mandrel or a marker or any round form. So we'll start by putting on a 4mm red bead on one side. These are my favorite miracle beads. Just hold it a couple inches from the end, bend it down, hold the bead, and bend this all the way around. Just like that. Then we'll put on another 4mm bead, and we're going to start by helping out the bend a little bit with the round pliers. So just hold this in place and bend it down, and then you can hold the bead and push this around because you want to keep a little bit of space in there. So we're going to bring this one all the way around. Bring it around to the front. So now you have the starting point of the heart, and then we're going to just bend this sort of where the center point of the next bead would be. Take our other 4mm bead, stick it on there, and again start the bend with your round pliers so it doesn't get distorted. Bring this one around, hold it in place, and continue the bend. This wire should be to the front, and now we want to make a sharp bend up here. So you can get your round pliers again, hold this in place, and give it a nice sharp bend up. So it looks like the heart. The bottom wire, which is longer, we're going to bend it out that way. So hold this with the round pliers and bend it straight out like that. And then here, make sure it's centered. If you're worried about it slipping, start it with the round pliers and then give it a good little tug. Clip it flush, pinch that end in, and then we'll take the ring mandrel or a round form and bring this all the way around. Trim this a bit, lift this and stick it through that space. Put it back on the ring mandrel, hold the end, and bring that one around. Pull it down a little more, clip it, and pinch it in so that's not scratchy. You can put it back on the ring mandrel to fix it up, and there you have your beautiful beaded heart ring.